Today I will be taking you on the best extensions to get as a front-end developer to make your work easier while coding. In order to download extensions on your VS Code, select the window-like icon at the side of the application and search for the extensions needed to download. There are many extensions that can aid in your coding and ease stress while coding. We will be discussing about 5 of this. Life Server is one of the best extensions to get if you are a front-end developer. It helps you to live reload features for dynamic content and it works for all languages. Some cool features about Life Server are: start or stop server by a single click from status bar, hotkey control, support for all browsers, supports Chrome debugging attachment, multi-root workspace, SVG supports and lots more. To download the extension you can search for ext install britwikd.lifeserver. Better Comment is a visual code extension that gives you the ability to customize the font and opacity of your comments independently of the editor's font settings. It also adds 4 additional comment classifications, each classification with its own customizable foreground. Some good features about Better Comments extension is that it has customizable foreground for each comment, like classification, customizable font settings, works with C#, F#, VB.NET, JavaScript, Python, HTML, and XAML. I highly recommend Better Comment if you work in an office environment. fontawesome Gallery is a freeware extension in VS Code where you can select different icons you need for your website. It was published by Thomas Vergara. Some cool features in fontawesome Gallery is that it allows you to copy the icon code by clicking on any icon. It has an icon search box to find icons by name or keywords, detailed icon information on hover, grid or list view mode, and ability to change between the icon's class name or Unicode code point. And you can control most extension option from the command palette. I highly recommend this extension for users that uses icons a lot in their website. Snippets are templates that makes it easier to enter repeating code patterns such as loops or conditional statements. In VS Code, snippets appears in IntelliSense mixed with other suggestions as well as in dedicated snippet picker. VS Code already has some few built-in snippets like CSS snippets, HTML snippets, but other snippets are available which can aid web developers. Examples are Bootstrap snippets, JavaScript snippet, animate.css snippets as used in my last video, and lots more. It helps a lot in the Bootstrap aspect as in creating free navigation bar, drop-down menu, login page, and basic Bootstrap classes. Snippets helps a lot in reducing coding stress and reminding you some codes while working.